first, let's start with the features that help you lower administrative burden. It is easy to use. When you create an Amazon RDS DB instance, you can choose the database engine, storage capacity, CPU, and memory of the instance. The DB instance class determines the computation and memory capacity available to a DB instance. Amazon RDS supports 3 types of DB instance classes. Standard, for general purpose instances. Memory optimized, for memory-intensive applications. And burstable performance DB instance class for burstable instances, with the ability to burst to full CPU usage. Amazon RDS database instances are pre-configured with parameters and settings appropriate for the engine and class you have selected. You can launch a database instance and connect your application within minutes. In addition, DB parameter groups provide granular control and fine-tuning of your database. A DB parameter group acts as a container for engine configuration values that are applied to one or more DB instances. Automatic software patching. RDS will make sure that the relational database software powering your deployment stays up to date with the latest patches. You can exert optional control over when and if your database instance is patched. Best practice recommendation. Amazon RDS provides best practice guidance by analyzing configuration and usage metrics from your database instances. Recommendations cover areas such as database engine versions, storage, instance types, and networking. You can browse the available recommendations and perform a recommended action immediately. Schedule it for their next maintenance window, or dismiss it entirely. Performance. Amazon RDS provides 3 storage types, which differ in performance characteristics and price, which means that you can tailor your storage performance and cost to the needs of your database workload. Amazon RDS General Purpose Storage, also known as GP2, is an SSD-backed storage option that delivers a consistent baseline of 3 IOPS per provisioned gigabyte and provides the ability to burst up to 3,000 IOPS above the baseline. This storage type is suitable for a broad range of database workloads. Amazon RDS Provisioned IOPS Storage, also known as IO1, is an SSD-backed storage option that's designed to deliver fast, predictable, and consistent I/O performance. You specify an IOPS rate when creating a database instance, and Amazon RDS provisions that IOPS rate for the lifetime of the database instance. This storage type is optimized for I/O-intensive transactional OLTP database workloads. You can provision up to 40,000 IOPS per database instance. In addition, Amazon RDS also supports magnetic storage, also known as standard storage, for backward compatibility. We recommend that you use general purpose SSD or provisioned IOPS for any new storage needs.